So we have our smart hub all powered up and plugged in, connected to the internet, to our Wi-Fi connection, and we are all ready to go. But we want to be able to put this out of sight. So we have a drawer right here that we're gonna go ahead and put it in, this drawer. And we're gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna use what is called the IR, or infrared blaster, which is just an infrared sensor that can pick up the remote signal and transmit it to the hub. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in the back. There's two ports here. There is a single a cord with a single receiver, and then there's a cord with two receivers that you could split and put it on to give you more coverage, so you've got more angles to use the remote. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plug in the single one right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our hub in the drawer, and we will get our infrared sensor situated here on our mantle, right here. We're just gonna string it through right here and just put it underneath this little pan so that we can see where it's at. So there you go. Our infrared sensor is right here. We're gonna go ahead and show that we can use our remote with that sensor. In fact, we'll go ahead and get the camera resituated, and we'll show you that that works. So you can get the hub out of sight, but still use the infrared thing, so you're not really worrying about whether or not your remote's gonna work with that. You'll still get good coverage. You won't have to have the hub out if you want to have a cleaner looking space, and you'll be able to use it once you get everything at it. So let's go ahead and get that all set up, and we'll show you what that's like. All right, so we have our remote control here that's been synced up to the hub. We're all ready to go. And right here is our infrared sensor. It's right there up on our mantle. So we're gonna go ahead and use our remote control here, and we'll just show that you can go up and down on the TV menu here, and we can go over pretty much to whatever we want to do here. We'll go ahead and turn on our Voodoo here, and then this remote acts like the TV remote, pulls up everything that you needed to use, and then you're all set. So it's great having those infrared sensors to give you a little bit of extra range for things, so you can be sitting on your couch, you can use that and not have to worry about whether or not your hub is picking up the remote control signal, because those infrared sensors will pick it up and then transmit it to the hub for you. So you're all set and ready to go. Anyway, great little feature with this. So you can get, have the hub, like we've got ours, we have it in the drawer here behind me. And then we can still use the remote control to control whatever we need to, and have everything nice and neat. And just have a little itty bitty, probably what I'd say at most 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch sensor block on the mantle, or you can put it on either end of the mantle with the double. You've got the cord here that's got the two that you could split out if you needed to, but it will just plug into the back of the hub just like the single one does. It's a nice long cord, so you've got plenty of length to there. Use the remote from in the room because you've got all that different angles that you can use it with. Very cool. That all the rest of the way set. I've got that kind of